Hey gang, we're going to do a quick unboxing video and it's going to be quick because it's 99 degrees outside and it is 103 degrees in this garage. And that is why I bought this evaporative cooler or swamp cooler. I've never used one of these before. I live in the desert, so this is supposed to work well in really dry climates with a lot of evaporation. So this is a Hessaire evaporative cool MC 37M. All right. Grab instructions out of here. Good. All right, enough space. I didn't have any concerns about using the knife on the box. It's pretty straight forward. A lot of assembly required at first glance. I'm gonna take these instructions inside where it's cooler, give them a quick peruse and come back out, and we're gonna give. All right, so there's not much to it. The one thing I have to do is lay it down, take this panel off the bottom, and that is where there's a couple of Phillips head screws. And that is where the casters are. This is what I look like after working in here for an hour, even going in and out of the house where it's cool. I can't imagine what it would be like to work out here when it's 115 degrees out and 120 in the garage. All right, so I've got it running with the fan on high. As you can tell, it's pretty loud. I'm gonna turn it off for the moment just to finish this up, and then I'll turn it back on. Yeah, so The installation on this thing was pretty easy. The instructions were pretty simple. All I basically had to do was put on the casters. You know, it was a little bit weird. The holes were a little mismatched on the bottom. The plastic didn't line up perfectly, so it took me a few minutes to do that. But once I got that done, it was basically just a matter of filling it with water. I had no idea how much water this thing held, and I started, as you saw, putting in water with a gallon jug, and then I realized this thing probably holds 10 gallons, or you know, maybe 8 to 10 gallons, no, more than that. So I've dragged in the hose, filled it up, and I'm gonna let it run tonight, but really the tell-all is gonna be tomorrow. When it gets hot, I'm gonna leave this thing running in here and see what temperature we can keep this garage to. I will follow up on another video and just mention, you know, how well it's doing. I'm gonna probably try a few things with it. They recommend having an outside air source for it, and the reason, just looking online, that people say that is because the drier air coming from the outside is easier to cool, as opposed to the air inside the closed space will get humid and the cooler will become less effective. However, I'm not sure which is better, to be pulling in, say, 115 degree air and have more effective cooling, or to be sort of recooling the air that's already in, you know, it's already in the garage, and maybe it's a little more humid and a little less effective, but you know, it's already starting with air that's somewhat cooler. So I'm not sure which will be more effective, to tell you the truth. So I'll probably try a couple different things, but well, that is, I mean, if the way I have it set up right now brings the garage down to a comfortable temperature, you know, at least a workable temperature, then I'll call it. Leave it the way it is. Yeah, so that's it for this one. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you another garage upgrade. I'll keep doing these as I sort of add to the garage or do different things. But yeah, thanks for watching, and you know, if you're interested in seeing some more of these things and seeing me work on this GTO, please like and subscribe. Thanks, gang.